This has truly been one of my favorite parts about Breckenridge. Views like this. And the views get even better as we head northeast to check out the Luna Dome and Casa Vista. You can't miss this property, gentlemen. Great to meet you guys.
Evan, nice to meet you too. Chad.
Hey, Chad.
Sammer.
Sammer, and you must be?
Michael.
Of course, of course. Thanks for having us.
Well, come make yourself at Dome.
Were you working on that my whole way up here?
Pretty much. I'm gonna head on the deck. I'll see you out there.
Oh, sounds like a plan. Look at this view. Sam or Chad, it's like you've got the windows in the shape of the mountain, so when you look out, you also see the mountain shape. Wow, you know, from the outside, I would never have thought it goes up. I mean, you've got levels.
Yeah, it's about 30-foot ceiling.
30-foot ceiling?
Yeah. We opened up the kitchen, we opened up the entryway, so when you walk in, you're instantly hit with just majestic views.
The views are the #1 reason why we purchased the property and what we love so much about it. We actually list it for 16 people. We have 5 different bedrooms. Each one has its own bathroom except for on the top floor. The top floor is actually my favorite room to stay in. You walk up the spiral staircase and it's like an experience. There's 2 windows that overlook the valley up there, and it's like you're kind of on top of the world.
Walk me through the home. What's the first thing that guests see when they come in, and tell me about some of their favorite parts and your favorite parts of the home?
Right when you walk in, the idea is that you're kind of wowed just by the view. We actually put in a good chunk of these windows, and it was kind of like a significant endeavor that we went through. And then from there, we wanted everyone to actually have a very unique experience with different amenities and things that you wouldn't really get other places.
Then we work our way down to this level. Both are ensuite, so you have your own bathroom. The primary is, my favorite part is the glass doors where you can also take in this view from bed. So you can be in bed and see this view.
I love the passion and the energy and the effort you're putting into it.
Yeah, we really appreciate that, Evan. And why don't we go outside and you can chat with our business partner, Michael, and he can show you a little bit about what the dome's like on the outside.
Sounds like a plan.
All right, Evan, how about this view?
It's only getting better the more I go through and around the home. I just pick one of the best ones in the whole valley here.
We say we bought the view and the investment property came with.
Yeah, that's a good saying.
Yeah.
And how about a little bit about where this property is geographically?
Yeah, so we're in Idaho Springs, Colorado, 45 minutes from the airport in Denver, and then 45 minutes from the world-class ski resorts that everyone knows here in Colorado, Vail, Breckenridge, etc. Lots to do around, but as Chad and Sammer discussed, it's all about just being at the dome and soaking in the good energy here as well.
Well, you mentioned there's a lot to soak in. Literally, I'm looking at a cold plunge, a sauna, hot tub. Tell me about all the outdoor amenities, and tell me a little bit too about this deck.
Initially, couldn't even walk on parts of it. There was risk of falling through. Completely redid the deck. We have this nice new composite deck, and with that, we wanted to amenitize it and really make it exceptional. So we have the sauna with the $1 million view, as well as the cold plunge right next to it. You can do a little contrast therapy, if you will. And then over on the 3-level deck over there, we have the hot tub too.
I can't get enough of these views.
The views are what it's all about.
It's all about having an experience here at the Luna Dome.
Well, Evan, how about we add to that experience?
Thank you, guys. Cheers to your partnership. Cheers to your property. And thanks for having us make a staycation memory at the Luna Dome.
Thank you.
This doesn't get old, does it?
Never. It never does.